today's little project. New Vectra L2. Got a UV sterilizer. I'm gonna glue all that together. Connect this. All union ball valves. Vectra is split. Goes up output. That's the inlet for the Eheim. This valve stays closed. And output for the Eheim goes into the UV. Got your electrical bulkhead and the two overflows and then the return. And then the sump is in here. All the plumbing is underground. Pretty cool.